Hey coin collectors, it's DC on the Big D, and it's a 1999 Susan B. Anthony dollar coins, and you can see that we have the Philadelphia Mint one here, and we have the Denver Mint one here. This is the last year that they made the 1999 Susan B. Anthony coins. They first came out in 1979, and here's the 1979 Philly, and then they came out in 1980. Here's the 1980 San Francisco Mint, which this is a regular circulating coin, not a proof coin. And then they came out in 1981. And in 1981, they did have a San Francisco proof coin. And they also had the Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco regular coin. So this is a proof deep cameo. Every proof coin from the San Francisco Mint and the Philadelphia Mint, if they made these Susan B. Anthony coins, is a proof coin. And when I say the Philadelphia Mint, a lot of coin collectors are going, what do you mean the Philadelphia Mint? Well, it turns out that in 1999, the Susan B. Anthony coins were proof coins from the Philadelphia Mint. I don't have one. At the time, they cost about $9 each, and you had to get them straight from the mint. Proof coins at the Philadelphia Mint. So it'll have the P on it, like from Philadelphia. It'll look like this with a P on it there instead of an S. And they made 740,000 of those. They were sold in what the U.S. Mint called, and I quote, a handsome blue gift box for $8.95 each, with the coin in the blue gift box, with a limit of 4 coins ordered per household. So what are they worth now? So this is the Susan B. Anthony proof dollar from 1999, the Philadelphia proof. And that's something that you almost never see, is a proof coin from Philadelphia with the P on it. And you can see that it is right there. And you can see this is a deep cameo proof coin. PCGS has it on their website. You can see that's the site mark right there. And then it's, of course, the front and the back. The highest price that one of these has ever been sold for is $575. But if you go down and look, you'll see that they list the proof 70s at about $155. And if you look way over here, you can see that they've already found 1,258 proof 70 deep cameos, and they go for about $155. So you won't see one of these out there in your change at any point in time, but it's kind of fun to look for them and see if you can find one. Let's talk about the mintages, and let's talk about the values on these. Start with the Denver, because we've got it right here. The Denver Susan B. Anthony coin is the same front that all of them had on it. Susan B. Anthony looking to the right, Liberty above her head, the year down below her, 1999, 7 stars on this side, 6 on this side for the original 13 states. In God We Trust here in front of her. And then way down there you see an FG for Frank Gasparo. At the Denver Mint, they have graded 120 so far to Mint State 68, and those are worth $900. This is a round coin with a reeded edge, as you can see, but these lines on the front and the back are meant to commemorate the Apollo 11 mission. So there's 11 of these lines that go around the outside, and then you have the eagle landing on the moon for the mission. If you count the stars on the back, you also find that there are 13 stars going around. We have the eagle landing with the earth over its head. The eagle has an olive branch, the sign of peace, in its claws, and it's landing on the moon. The eagle, the coin sign for war and strength. The olive branch, the coin sign for peace. And then the moon, where the Apollo 11 landed. And if you go way, way down underneath the tail, between the tail feathers and the olive branch, you see another FG there. And that's for Frank Gasparo, who engraved the front and the back of this coin. 1999 was the last year they made these coins. In 2000, they came out with the SBA Dollar. And this, of course, was before the current ones with the edge dollars on them. And the SBA Dollar also had the eagle symbol on the back. This, of course, is Thomas D. Rogers, the engraver of this one. And the engraver of the front is down here, and that's Glenna Goodacre, who did this beautiful portrait of Sacagawea in 2000. So last year of the Susan B's was 1999. They also made them at Philadelphia. The Philadelphia Mint, they made $29.6 million. They found 11 so far to Mint State 68, and those are worth $17.50. At the San Francisco Mint, They didn't make any coins in 1999. They did make the Philadelphia proof coins, and those are worth about $155 each at a proof 70 deep cameo. One of the problems that collectors have for the 1999s is that they didn't put any of them in the mint sets. They didn't put any of them in the proof sets. So that if you get a 1999 mint set from the US Mint, it'll have the P and it'll have the D, but it won't have the Philadelphia proof. If you get the 1999 silver proof set or clad proof set, it won't have the Philadelphia proof coin in it either. You could only get that through the mint by buying the gift box version. So you don't see many of these 1999s around that are the proof coins, and they're hard to get. One of the reasons that they didn't put these out in 1999 was because that was also the first year of the state quarter series. And so they had 5 quarters in each of the proof sets, and they had 5 quarters of the Philadelphia and Denver. So it was just, they felt it was just too much to put together at once. All right, so look for these out there. Look for the Philadelphia, look for the Denver. And in 1999, don't look for the San Francisco clad or the San Francisco proof, but do look for the Philadelphia shiny proof version. That's all we have today. I'd love to have you subscribe to the channel and leave any comments you have in the comments section.